Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 blue screen restart loop. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you may have been in this specific page, okay? If you don't know how to go back to this page, just make sure that you at least try to restart your computer 4 times, okay? Now, if you don't know how to do so, you gotta restart your computer by using the power button. Restart it for about 3 times, and once you see that your computer tries to log you in, just basically press and hold the power button again for 3 times, okay? And at the 4th time, you should be able to see this specific page. So what you can do in here is go ahead over to troubleshoot, okay? And we have a ton of options in here. First up, go ahead over to advanced options. Now click on startup repair. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go back to the same exact page in here and go ahead and use command prompt, okay? Click on it, and then once it loads, go ahead and type down sfc /scan now, okay? And once that's done, just hit on enter, wait for the process to finish, okay? Wait for it to get up to 100, and then once that's done, I'm just going to close this one, okay? But in your case, do not close this one until it gets completed. Okay, let's say, for example, that's already done. Now you're going to want to type down check disk, just like so, /F//R. Now hit on enter, and this one right here detects and repairs disk error. If you got this error, same as mine, just don't worry. Just close this one. Now, after that, you can now go ahead and hit on continue and check if it helps. If that still won't work, we have here again, troubleshoot, advanced options, and then uninstall recently installed quality feature or even updates from Windows. So just click on it. First up, click on install latest quality update, and once that's done, go ahead and click on install latest feature update. Okay, and after that, again, just go ahead and check right here, hit on continue, and see if it helps. If not, again, go back to the same set of pages. Okay, click on advanced options, and here we have system restore. You can click on it, wait for it to load, and if you have a restore point, you can just click on one restore point, hit on next, and it will just automatically restart your computer. So after that, if it works, well, congratulations. If not, go back right here in the same set of page, okay? So what you can do is just click on troubleshoot, and then reset your PC, okay? Click on it. You can go ahead and use the option keep your files, but it will use up a ton of your drive or hard drive or SSD. Okay, if you want to remove everything, okay, this one will remove all of your personal files, applications, and settings. Basically, reinstall a fresh copy of Windows. All right, so just click on this option and you will have 2 options right here at the next page: cloud download or local reinstall. What I would highly recommend if you want this one to finish up quickly is to just select local reinstall. If you want cloud download, by all means, go ahead and do it, but just make sure that you are connected to the internet, okay? So just click on one of these options, follow simple prompts, and once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still won't work, your last resort right here is to get your computer checked by a local technician. Or if it's still under warranty, go ahead and get it replaced or checked by the manufacturer or seller, as there might be a problem with one of your components or hardware, right? There you have it. That is how you fix Windows 10 or 11 blue screen restart loop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.